guys, so welcome to my first ever video. I am Nika and I am a home baker. So I never really had the chance to enroll in a professional baking class or anything. Kaya everything na I'm about to share is mostly based on experience. My mother is actually the one who taught me how to bake. She introduced me to baking and she was my mentor nung bata pa ako. Actually hanggang ngayon, siya pa din yung mentor ko. So lahat na natutunan ko talaga about baking is na-research ko lang sa mga cookbooks, mga cooking shows, ginugol ko, at lalo na dito sa YouTube. Sobrang dami ko talagang natutunan dito. Kaya I made this channel because I wanted to be able to help and share also yung mga personal experiences ko, tsaka recipes ko to home bakers as well. So sa mga nagsisimula pa lang mag-bake dyan ako, this video is definitely for you. I know baking tends to be intimidating at first because you need to follow exact measurements, you need to follow certain procedures and all that. It's chemistry, diba? Kaya today, we are going to make a Genoise cake. So what's a Genoise cake? It's actually a European sponge cake. So it's actually one of the easiest and napaka-basic lang na cake na to. Because you only need 3 ingredients. That's eggs, flour, and sugar. Diba? 3 ingredients lang actually. Magkaka-cake ka na. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start baking.
First, we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Then, grab a heat-proof mixing bowl and combine the eggs and the sugar and put it over a water bath and whisk this until your mixture is just warm to the touch. When the mixture is warm, or kung gusto niyo talaga specific, around 40 degrees Celsius, take it off the heat and transfer it to an electric mixer. And we will beat this for 12 to 15 minutes until the volume has doubled. This is very important because for this recipe, hindi tayo gumagamit ng mga chemical leaveners or yung tinatawag nating pampaalsa gaya ng baking powder at baking soda. So we rely solely on the eggs to provide the lift and rise sa cake. To be able to check also if your mixture is done is when it reached the ribbon stage. When you draw ribbons like this, it will be able to hold its shape for 10 seconds. At this point, since this is a simple cake, you can add flavor to the cake like coconut, lemon, almond extract, or for me, I prefer vanilla extract, and that's what we're adding to this recipe. We don't want to deflate the batter so much kasi we put a lot of air sa mixture for it to rise. Kaya we need to slowly incorporate our flour by sifting and slowly folding it just until it's incorporated in the batter. We then transfer this to a lined 9-inch pan and then bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. To check, insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean, then we're done. Immediately transfer the cake to a cooling rack and let it cool completely.
Okay, so ito na ang ating final product. Titignan natin ngayon ang Genoise Cake. So, kung ito-touch natin siya, it's actually light and spongy. hindi siya light na fluffy. It's actually very firm and stable. So, perfect na perfect to when it comes to cake decorating. Kasi titignan mo, it really holds its shape. So, hindi ka talaga mahihirapan na lagyan siya ng frosting. So, that's it for today's video. I hope na marami kayong natutunan today. And i-like nyo tong video na to. Also, follow my Facebook page because I'll be posting updates there kung kailan ako mag-upload and may mga tips din ako na ipopost doon. And subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be posting videos every week. And next week, yung topic naman natin ay chiffon cake. So, it's also a sponge cake pero mas fluffy compared to sa Genoise cake. So, thank you and happy baking!